Hi, welcome back to Pro Shop. It's Pete here, and today I want to introduce you to the new project that has just arrived. Earlier this week, this EH Holden got dropped off. It may not look like much right now, however, it's here for the full Pro Shop customization. What do you get when you take my last 3 builds and combine them together? Well, this. After recently finishing the last restoration of an EH, I wasn't in a hurry to do another. However, after the owner told me of his plans for this one, I got pretty excited. It will be getting the same front end and rear clip that we put into the HR, however the motor will be an RB, similar to the GTR I did the wide body on. Now, it's not going to be the 3000 horsepower full billet RB like the GTR was. This one will be slightly more suited for the street. It will be an RB30 block with an RB26 head, a 6-speed manual from a Nissan 350Z, and a 4-link 9-inch in the back. Just like the last EH, I'll be removing the floor to make way for new custom chassis rails. It's going to have a similar tray and tub design that I built for the HR. But first things first, I got Anika to help me unpack the parts out of the body. And of course, a little help from Barney too. Now, a big part of the reason I said yes to this build was because this car had already been sandblasted and came to me in bare metal. I could clearly see the work that needed to be done. Most of it will be removed, but there is still a lot of body work to do, so stay tuned because we'll be putting out updates almost every week on this build. Hit the notification bell so you know when that happens. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can follow the journey. Also, if you have any questions or ideas, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.